very nicely packed. Here in the first bag, we have our drain hose. We have some washers, some plastic washers that we're going to be using with our connectors. We have a rubber sealer and the tool to remove the filter out. And here we got the instructions manual with all the specs for the filter. This is a very versatile filter. It can be used for many different things, but mostly to remove large sediments of your water. You can use with a water well, you can use in an inline setup that you can wash your car, you can fill up a pool, you can, whenever you need clean water without any heavy sediments, that's what you use it for. You have a nice a gauge here on top that basically when that gets clogged up, this the pressure will go higher, and then it'll show you that you need to clean your filter. And to do so, you just need to switch this key down below here, and then the water will come out from the bottom. And to do so, when you install it, you push this drain all the way inside. Water comes from one side, comes out on the other, and whenever the filter gets clogged, you turn on the key for on and off. Installation is very simple. You will remove the protective caps here, and then you're basically going to install it using this brass connectors, which, by the way, there's a lot of units out there. The connectors are made of plastic, and this one has really nice brass connectors on it. The way it works is you put a washer, this plastic washer, over this end, and you drop, it goes this end and this end, like so, with the plastic washer inside. You connect that on one side of your filter. You just follow the small arrows there, which shows the flow direction. We're going to do the same thing with the other one. It goes on top, and the washer completes the seal between this part here and this one. From here, it's very simple. It all depends what setup do you have right now. If your inline is a 1 inch, it's a 3/4 of an inch. You might need to use some adapters depending what kind of hose or PVC or metal connectors. You might need to use a different adapter for that. But basically, the way it works here too, if you need to remove the top, you can do so like that by unscrewing the unit. You got a plastic vortex connector there, and that's your mesh filter that's going to collect all the heavy sediments. Once in a while, it is important to open it up, the unit, use a soft brush and clean up the unit here, because a lot of stuff will stick to it and will make filtration a little harder. It's really nice when the water comes through your pipe here. The vortex helps to distribute the water evenly across the filter, making this piece basically spin, helping the filtration system. It's very nice. Okay, right here we have a basic simple setup where we have the inline coming from, in our case, the water well. It does have some sediments in the water, some dirt, and this will completely filter. We have a shut-off valve here in order to shut the unit off, so you can remove it, you can work on it, or anything that's happening, you can shut off the water, and that will stop the flow going into the house, which is our situation. So water comes in through this side, it goes down through the filtering process, water spins around, gets filtered in this mesh filter, and then it comes out clean without any sediments on the other side. And again, like I said before, whenever you need to clean this filter, you just need to open this valve right here into the on position, and then water will gush it through and it will go through the bottom of the unit. All right, here I'm going to demonstrate the installation for my application here, and things will vary depending how you're using it, where you're using. But I'm gonna put the 2 connectors here at the end with the washer. On my case, I'm gonna use a hose adapter because I'm gonna filter the water to go and fill up a pond. So I just have 2 hose adapters right here, one a male and a female. There you go. And then I'm gonna connect the garden hose to it. All right, here I have the 2 pieces connected. One side the water comes in, gets filtered, and then it comes out on the other side where I'm gonna use it to fill up the pond. So you can see the water going in and automatically goes through the filter, and it comes out on the other side filtered up.